Come to the adventure, shaking up the power of rage. For this somatic journey, write down a situation where you typically suppress being angry. In your everyday routines, the best thing is choosing a situation that isn't that big, but it happens over and over again. Maybe in your relationship, maybe in your work. And it's important that you choose a situation where you are not angry with yourself, but with outer circumstances. Yet, you have the pattern of playing the good boy, the good girl, smiling, understanding everybody around, minimizing your inner charge. Take notes of the situation and then put your notebook and pen aside and stand up, feet hip distant apart. Feel the solidity of the ground under your feet. And with a sigh and an exhale, close your eyes. Landing felt sense inside. You are welcome to rub your hands for a moment. And with this warmth, life energy in your hands, cover your eyes. Allow your eyes, even your forehead, to relax into this darkness. Open your mouth, relax your jaw, and start breathing through your mouth. And what we want to activate now is the true inner power of rage, which is not about explosion or becoming a monster, turning into somebody violent, but rather being filled with inner dignity, clarity, precision, full incarnation, full embodiment. You being loyal with yourself no matter what. So for that we want to activate your heart, as your heart needs the full permission to step into anger. Otherwise, a heart cannot open to loving somebody. It cannot even open to loving yourself. So that is why I ask you to inhale deeply into your chest. Breathing through your mouth. And for the next minutes, your inhale is longer and deeper than your exhale. I'm saying that on purpose because it's way beyond your comfort zone. Inhale deeper than exhaling. Deep and steady rhythmic inhale. Drop your hands, start shaking in your hands and knees. All the muscles, all the joints of your hands are shaking. Your knee joints, the muscles around your knees are shaking. Closed eyes, focus internally. Inhale deeply. And these next minutes are pushing yourself back into embodiment, and it is some kind of jump. And it's okay if it's even a little bit uncomfortable. It's not our comfort zone being in our body. So let's go there anyway. Feel your heart, feel your lungs expanding every time you inhale. And every time you inhale even deeper. Breathing through your mouth. Shake, keep shaking, keep shaking. And your knees are shaking so much as if you would be already full of inner power. Your knees are shaking until all the muscles, all the trapped energy in your muscles of your legs are shaking as well. Until that happens automatically, this shaking becomes a whole body shaking, a whole body experience. Go there, inhale deeper, push yourself into inner power. This is not something that an audio can do for you, you have to do it yourself. And you are doing great. Expand, expand, expand. Feel that this might be challenging. It's okay. It's challenging for everybody. Expanding back into the inner dignity. It is uncomfortable. Go there. Keep going. You are doing great. Wildly, even being hungry for even more energy. Shake the backside of your body and shake your hands until all those muscles, tensions in your arms, upper arms, shoulders are shaking as well. Shake them. Shake, and not so much more time. Make sure that you are fully here. In a minute we will change into another phase of this journey. Shake wildly. Go for it. Go for it. That's you being hungry for yourself. Go there. Shake, shake, shake more, shake more. Breathe. I need your energy, and even more you need your energy. Wow. Be impatient, be greedy, more energy. I want more. I want more from life, more satisfaction, more power, more energy, more happiness. Go there, go for all of that. Shake, shake, keep shaking. Don't start waiting, keep shaking. This moment, it's only now, only now. Shake yourself back wildly into this moment. Great. Woo. Stay with closed eyes, relaxed eyes. Slow down the shaking. Stay super soft in all joints. Do not stop shaking. And do not stop the speed too fast. Just transitioning. Eyes closed, fully relaxed in your jaw. Feel. Sense your nervous system. Sense your energy level. Sense your felt sense of being yourself right now. Stay with the motion. Stay with a soft shaking inside. You're doing great. Relax your eyes, relax your forehead. Just drop for a moment even deeper into your inner world, your inner truth, your inner essence. And be with this inner richness, surrounded by the outer world. And be there. And do not hand your power, your energy over to them. Be with yourself. Great. So from here, just follow my words. And now I ask you to remember the situation that you have written down before the shaking. Which situation comes up again and again, and it annoys you that you cannot stop suppressing your anger in it? And for the moment, just recall the situation and allow this situation to have this kind of impact on yourself. Like, go there, which kind of typical colors, which persons are in the space, which kind of trigger. Maybe it's a voice, maybe a beloved one, maybe a conflict. And I ask you to sense your body and your nervous system, every cell. What happens now when you suppress your anger, and feel which kind of mask is the one that you are showing to the outer world in this situation? And wear this mask. How do you breathe? Or rather, not breathe. So, allow this breathing pattern to take over and feel the whole body reduction and depression of energy happening just in a second. Be this good boy, good girl. Smiling, polite, and just what's happening right now. Be correct. You are doing great. Suppress the inner energy. And at the same time, feel there is something that would like to be expressed. But what's happening in your throat, in your voice, in order to not speak up for your truth? Allow this kind of contraction. And do you still feel your legs? Do you still feel your arms? And what's your kind of self-image? Which kind of sentence do you say to yourself when you are in this state? So say this kind of sentence. And for the moment, believe it. Feel the loneliness inside. Feel the kind of collapse of giving up, of numbness that might come with the state. And yes, this is something that you are doing. It's somehow something that we chose to build as a pattern. And what we are doing now is just rewiring the nervous system, rewriting the script. Follow my words. You inhale into your heart right now. You exhale with a sigh. Feel your heart melting, giving permission to anger. Inhale again. Exhale, melting, even more fire of anger. Inhale, lift your shoulders. Exhale, relax your shoulders, start shaking in your arms, back into your inner power. Inhale again. Exhale. Now start shaking in your knees and legs as well. Go into whole body shaking. Shake, shake. Allow the situation to be there, and at the same time your inner world, your inner power comes up. Shake. Shake with your whole body. Shake with your whole soul. Shake. Incarnate. Embody yourself. You are doing great. Shake into your heart. Inhale as deeply as you can and shake. Shake wildly. Do not get rid of your anger energy, but truly celebrate it. Shake, shake. You are doing great. Feel the situation, and it has no power over you anymore. You feel your anger. You are loyal with your inner energy. Go, jump onto this wave. Be angry. Be angry. Allow your voice to come out. Allow your body to stomp, to punch the air, to kick into the space. It's okay. Express the energy without wanting to get rid of it. Contain the energy at the same time. This is your life force. This is your dignity. You don't want to get rid of your dignity. You don't want to get rid of inner power. You want to win with the energy of fight. Go for it. You are doing great. Keep going. Keep going. Great. Whoa. Shake in your shoulders. Shake in your upper chest. Shake in the backside of your body. Shake with your clothes. Even the air around. Make the space shake as well. Go, go. Go, go, go. Go into shaking. Go into shaking. Open your arms, your upper arms to both sides a little bit. I say that on purpose. Expand the space that you are in to both sides, to the right, to the left. Open your upper arms and shake them into the space. That is a super exhaustive position if you are doing it with outer force. So do it with inner power instead. Shake your arms to both sides. Shake them. Shake them. Great. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Feel the kind of energetic workout in your muscles. Feel the space expanding. Celebrate the energy. Keep going. Inhaling deeply. Inhaling deeply. You are right with your anger. You are right with your rage. You need your rage. You need the sacred flame of rage. Go for it. Go for it. Even more. Even more. Allow being angry. Allow being angry. It's okay. It's a safe space here. You won't hurt somebody. You are doing great. You are doing great. Become intimate with this anger energy even more. Go into the situation, and with the situation even more into yourself. Keep going. Keep going. Few more moments. Few more moments. Use them. Use them. We do not have so much time on earth in order to recover into aliveness. Go for it. Go for it now. Don't wait. Don't wait for tomorrow. It will never be tomorrow. Be here. Be here. Come on. Go, go, go. Go. If there is 1 minute left, how can you use it? Use it. Use it. Use it. Use it. You are doing great. That's it. You are doing great. That's it. Being alive, a whole body experience of energy. Go there. Go there. That's it. You are doing great. Woohoo! Shake. Shake. Feel the power, the dignity. Be proud about yourself. Make space for being okay for yourself by being so safe with yourself. Your anger wants to fight for your self-love. That's it, what it is designed for. Allow it to flow. Yeah, surrender to this inner design, inner power. And stay as long as you want in this afterglow of the shaking. Stay super, super soft in all joints, super soft. That's important. And stay with closed eyes and stay relaxed in your eye muscles. Do not try to learn something, because everything has been learned already in your nervous system. Do not try to remember something, because everything essential is remembered by your cells. Relax your forehead. Just stay with the inner truth that you deserve so deeply, being so safe with yourself, no matter what.